Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Kaking Koy Vlog. For today's video guys, puntahan natin ang The Proud Hotel. Okay guys, so we will check it out, their breakfast buffet. I'm here, they have a spread that's perfect to start your day. So let's go see what's waiting for us inside. We're here, let's go, let's go! Right. Wow, look at this place. It's a cozy, bright, and definitely giving me the perfect morning vibes. And over there, that's a buffet looks loaded. Bread, pastries, hot dishes, salads, and beverages. Let's take a quick tour of the buffet. We've got fresh bread, pastries right there. Some classes, hot dishes, eggs, meat on the way. Of course, the fruits and juices. I love there's something for everyone. My friend, what is your name, please? Your name? She's Makinta?
My name is Naidul Islam.
Okay, Islam. So, yes. So here you can request whether pancakes, scrambled eggs, sausage, anything you want to request. So they will make it for you.
As of my request. Yes. Alright, so just a little salt. Okay, put the oil. So, I think it would be more delicious. I want the onion, white onion. Yes. Okay. A little tomato also.
Yes, okay.
My favorite scrambled
This one,
egg
I
is
like
definitely a
tomato.
winner. Super
Wow,
flavorful.
Yeah. So that's my favorite omelette. Okay. Wow. That's my request. Yan ang pinapagawa ko ngayon sa kanya. Yes.
Yes, finished product with my favorite scrambled egg done. Okay, habang nag-time-lapse tayo guys. Okay, pili-pili lang guys. Let's go. Yan. Sarap ng kumain. Yan, okay guys. Wow. Soup na tayo guys. Napakasarap. Wow, malinamnam. Wow, ang sarap. Kain lang ng kain. Alright, so magpakabusog tayo guys. Thank you so much sa sponsors. Yan, okay guys. Yan ang experience natin. So, that was my breakfast experience here at Proud Hotel. Great food, cozy ambience, and such a nice way to start the morning. If you're ever in that area, I totally recommend it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.